Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you Joplin Notes tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly start using Joplin here? Well, first things first is we need to install the app. So go to their official website, which is going to be joplinapp.org. And from here, you want to go and click on the download app option. Now, you should be able to initiate download for the .exe or the installer for Joplin here. So go ahead and basically download that. Now, once you see the Joplin.exe setup here, go ahead and run it and install Joplin into your PC. Now, once you've installed that, how do we exactly use it? Well, using it is fairly easy. You just need to understand the basic UI here. So first, at the left side here, you have the option to view your notebooks. Your notebooks actually organize what notes you currently have. Like for example, we have the notebook welcome, and we will have the following notes here, which in this case will be in different pages. So think of them as pages, and this is your book. So this is the best way that you could think about this one. Now, for your book here or your notebook, you have the option to change a few things. Like for example, if you select one of the following note here, you have the view on it at the right side. So you might be wondering, you have two views here. What do you do? So the thing with Joplin here is we first have our UI here for writing markdown. Now at the right side, this is the preview on what the note actually contains. So this is the actual view here. But the thing with Joplin, you need to use markdown in order for you to start writing. But you could just basically start typing here. It's just going to give you different text. As you can see right now, this is just some random text I just added. But if you want to make use or maximize the use of Joplin here, you need to use markdown. Now for that, I would suggest you to get tutorials. So there are going to be some free tutorials out there that you could access. So in this case, you go ahead and visit them. So currently this is a website that offers that specific free tutorial. Now, in this case, you could go and just start writing here. So this is an example. We have the hash or pound sign as sign here, which in this case is going to be the section for or the title for our this case the header of our note here. And also we have the double pound here, which is another form of heading, which is a smaller one, and a few text. I could also add links here. You just need to make sure that you set it up properly, as you can see right now. But the thing with this one is you could actually change a few things. Like for example, I want to highlight this specific text here. You could use the following buttons. So you can make them bold. You can make them italic if you want to. You can even add links if you want to. So just in case, like if you don't want to do this manually, but you can go ahead and do this manually yourself. But you can go and use the following tools at the very top here for you to basically edit your notes here. So yeah, how do you start organizing your notes? So if you already have your notes here at the section here, you have the option to create new notes or new to do. So if you use a new note here, it just adds a new note into your notebook. If you click on new to do, it adds a new to do, which is a series of tasks that you need to do. So in this case, what are the ways or tools here that you could use to organize it? Now, you have the option to toggle them in the different ways of sorting. So first is we have the default one, which is going to be updated date. It's going to show you which the most updated one first. And if you click on it, it changes to a different one. So as you can see, when you hover over it, you have the option to view what is going to be the sort order. So you could go and click on this one. It's going to change to created date. If you click on it, it's going to be due date. And click on it again, it's going to be completion date. So it should have its own icon whenever you're clicking it. Now, just give you the if you click on the sort order here, it gives you the option to change it in ascending or descending order. So if you want to click on it, go ahead and just click on it to change the actual order. Now, by the way, if you right click on this one, you have additional options. Like if you want to duplicate, even export, even delete note, you go ahead and do that in here. Now, if you go to trash here, you have the option to view the deleted note that you have before. So you can go and right click on it, just restore them if you want to, or even delete them permanently if you want to. Go ahead and click on delete if you want to do so. So yeah, so those are the basics here on using Joplin. So in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.